welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to show you a few lunchbox ideas. I'll be showing you a few sandwiches that are nutrition packed and easy to make. These can be part of kids' tiffin box or breakfast for whole family. So let's get started. So the first one is bread pizza sandwich. It's perfect all-in-one sandwich. It's loaded with veggies and bursting with cheese and loved by the kids. For making this, I have taken 2 tablespoons of finely diced red bell pepper or capsicum, 2 tablespoons of finely diced yellow bell pepper or capsicum, 2 tablespoons of finely diced green bell pepper. You can take other veggies also like cabbage and carrots. And I have taken 2 tablespoons of boiled corn, 2 tablespoons of finely diced onions, half a teaspoon of oregano for seasoning, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, a pinch of salt, and 2 tablespoons of pizza sauce. You can take ketchup also if you don't have pizza sauce. And chilies you can adjust according to your taste. And 4 slices of bread. You can trim the crust if you want. And I have taken grated cheese. You can use mozzarella or processed cheese. And butter we need a few tablespoons. Now in a mixing bowl I have added onions, corn, all the bell peppers, chili flakes, oregano, and I'll sprinkle it with some salt. Mix properly. Now keep it aside. Now on one bread slice I'm applying pizza sauce and another one I'll apply butter. Then I'll spread a layer of vegetables, mixed vegetables on it on one side, and then I'll be spreading cheese, grated cheese on it like this. Then put the other side on this and press it gently. Now I have heated up a pan and greased it with a teaspoon of butter, and then place the sandwich, and I'll cover it for a minute so that it's grilled properly. The flame here is between low to medium. And after a minute I'll remove the cover and flip it to the other side and keep it for a minute. Then our sandwich is ready. So I'll do the same with another sandwich also. We'll repeat the same thing. Now the bread pizza sandwich is ready. I'll slice it into 2 like this. Here you can see it's bursting with cheese and kids really love it. I have packed some apples and cucumber with this. You can add any side snack for kids of their choice. Moving to second sandwich, it's bread paneer sandwich. It's very easy, simple to make, and paneer and cheese lend the goodness of calcium and other nutritional value. For making this I have taken 4 bread slices. You can take any bread of your choice, and I have taken grated cheese. You can take cheese slices also, and slices of paneer or cottage cheese like this. I have sliced it like this. A pinch of salt we need, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a few tablespoons of butter. Now I'll apply a layer of butter on bread slices, then place a slice of paneer like this, and then spread a layer of grated cheese, and then sprinkle a pinch of salt. We have to be careful with salt because cheese already contains salt, and I'll sprinkle some black pepper. Then place the other bread slice and press gently. Then place it on hot greased pan or skillet. Cover it for a minute and then flip, and repeat same with the other side also. Repeat the same with other sandwich also. Here the nutrition packed paneer sandwiches are ready. Now I'll slice them. So I am slicing them into triangles. You can see they are soft from inside and taste really good. For snacks, I have taken chickpea salad. I have taken boiled chickpeas, diced tomato, cucumber and cheese, and sprinkled some salt and black pepper. It's a very good healthy salad. And I have added some grapes also for snacks. This is an easy and very good option for kids' tiffin box. Now moving to the third sandwich. It's potato sandwich with a hint of spices that makes it tempting and super addictive. For making this, I have taken a tablespoon of finely diced onions, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, a tablespoon of finely chopped fresh coriander, a tablespoon of ketchup, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder, or you can add more according to your taste, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, a tablespoon of pizza sauce, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. You can adjust salt and chilies according to your taste. And I have taken 2 slices of sandwich bread. You can take any bread of your choice, a few tablespoons of butter, and around 5 medium-sized boiled potatoes. So first I will mash the potatoes properly and then add diced onions, coriander leaves, chili powder, chaat masala, garam masala, black pepper powder, salt, ketchup, and mix properly with a fork till everything's mixed properly. Then on one bread slice apply some butter, and on the other one apply pizza sauce, or you can use ketchup also. And then spread a layer of potato mix on one. And then place the other slice on it. Then place it on heated greased skillet or pan on low to medium heat and cover it for a minute till it's grilled properly, and flip it to the other side also after a minute. Here the delicious sandwich is ready. It's easy to make and super yummy. And for the tiffin, I have paired it with some ketchup and with mixed vegetable salad. Give these sandwiches a try and let me know in comments how they turn. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.